respected chairperson of the session, respected dignitaries, myself, Muhammad Jashimuddin. I am going to present my research findings on physicochemical analysis and antioxidant properties of tinctures of Diospyros malabarika DESR Coastal, a preliminary report. My poster number is 9IR. So with the title of my paper, the background of the work, according to WHO 2002, the total 60% of the population of the world and 80% of the population in developing countries rely on traditional medicine because of better cultural acceptability, better compatibility with the human body, and lesser or no side effects besides being cheap and locally available. Eluzova noted that a plant becomes a medicinal plant only when its biological activity has been ethnobotanically reported or scientifically established. Diospyros malabarika, DSR coastal, is an evergreen tree belonging to the family Avanaceae, and according to the report of the local tribal healers of Mogriang and Uchai of especially of South Tripura, the fruit of this plant is very effective in curing their daily ailment. According to the consensus report of the three ethnic tribes, the species DM can cure dyspepsia and cough with a fidelity level of 100% and PRK of 46.15% respectively. With this background, it is found that Diospyros is a large genus of the tree or shrubs belonging to the family Avanaceae. In Indian system of traditional medicines like Ayurveda and Unani, various Diospyros species are used medicinally to cure fever, diarrhea, snake bite, ulcer, etc. From Diospyros montana, a drug, an anti-helminthic drug and anti-tumor drug, diospyrin has been isolated. From our previous work, it is found that the fruit powder of another species of Diospyros, namely Diospyros malabarika, can cure dyspepsia and cough with high potentiality of curing these two diseases by DM fruit with a fidelity of 46.15% and 100% respectively, and a PRK value of 7. With this background scenario, the present study was undertaken to analyze the physicochemical properties and antioxidant activity of 12% watery and ethanolic tinctures of DM fruits and leaves by standard techniques. Tinctures are generally defined as the watery, alcoholic or hydroalcoholic solutions of an active or crude drug. So methodological approach for this study, we have selected the plant DM from our another ethnobotanical field survey of 39 medicinal plants for its potentiality of curing dyspepsia and cough. Then we have prepared a 6% and 12% tinctures of each leaves and fruits of DM. The total volume of the extract, the pH extract yield, soluble, insoluble sugar, total sugar, soluble, insoluble, and total crude proteins, alkaloids, phenolics, and flavonoids of Diospyros malaberica fruits were specially estimated due to the report of the three ethnic tribe that this part of the plant is very much active to cure their daily ailment. Then antioxidant activity of each of the tinctures were determined by the method of ferric reducing power assay, taking butylated hydroxytoluene and ascorbic acid as the standard. So this is the analysis of our results from the preliminary phytochemical analysis. It was found that the fruit tincture, 12% fruit tincture of in water and alcohol contains all the secondary metabolites tested except phlobartenin, and the physical and chemical properties of 12% tinctures of the fruits of DM shows that after the extract after 72 hours, the volume of extract out of 100 was found in leaf 55 ml, 61 ml, 63 ml, and in fruit 63 ml and 70 ml. Extract yield was 20.58 and 17.96 for leaf extract and 23.71 and 12.56 for ethanolic extract of fruit. The color of the extract in case of leaf was brownish yellow, greenish yellow, and in case of fruits were yellowish brown and reddish brown. The pH of all the tinctures indicates that more or less same types of compound present which are acidic in nature. The phytochemical analysis of the leaves of Diospyros malaberica, the primary metabolites in fruits of DM was found to the soluble, insoluble and total sugar are reasonably present in the fruits of the DM, and crude proteins also contains a reasonable number, which can be the fruits of Diospyros can be used as a source of primary nutrients from natural sources. The amount of secondary metabolites present in the 12% ethanolic tinctures of the DM fruits and leaves also shows that in the fruits tincture, all these secondary metabolites, that is phenolics, alkaloids and flavonoids, were higher than the leaves tinctures. The antioxidant activity of the extract, different extracts, shows that the fruit extracts of ethanolic fruit extracts of DM were most effective in producing the ROS, which can mitigate the generation of reactive oxygen which occurred in most of the diseases. So the presence of it was reported that the presence of these three secondary metabolites, that is the phenolics, alkaloids and flavonoids, are responsible for bringing the antioxidant property of an extract. So from this analysis of the data, it is clearly indicated that in all the tinctures of fruit of DM, the presence of secondary metabolites, phenolics, alkaloids and flavonoids were more than the leaves tinctures, which also shows the high antioxidant property. The definite so in conclusion, we can say that the definite physiological action of many medicinal plant therapies are related to the presence of biologically active substances. From the result of phytochemical screening, some important observations may be noted. It is revealed that the presence of various bioactive compounds such as alkaloid, phenolics, flavonoids and cardiac glycosides, terpenoids, tannins and coumarin. The alkaloids, phenolics and flavonoids content of the fruit tincture was more than the leaves of tincture. The in vitro antioxidant activity of the fruits tincture was found to be more than leaves, which correspond to the presence of alkaloids, phenolics and flavonoids content. So the results obtained from the preliminary pharmacognostic standardization and the in vitro antioxidant activity of the DM fruit and leaves clearly juxtaposed to the ethnomedicinal reports of the local healers, which may be helpful in designing the quality and purity of the fruit drugs. So we are very much indebted to the three indigenous types, Mog, Riang and Uchai of South Tripura district for their kind cooperation with their experience in healing processes. We are also thankful to the HOD Human Physiology for lab facility postgraduate students, those who are included in the reference sections. The last but not the least, we are highly indebted to the organizers of PANA Conference 2021 for creating such a field of gathered scientific community to demonstrate our research findings. Thank you all for your patience hearing.